In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font of your text on your videos in Canva. Go ahead and click on the text that you want to change a font for, and on the top, you will see a bar. Here's a text font, and you can go ahead and you can choose between these multiple different fonts that you will be able to find on your videos. Now, I want to show you something else. Let's say you don't want to use these texts. You can go ahead and you can just ensure that you click on text, and on the bottom, you will find some different kind of text styles. And so you can choose these as you want as well. So let's say I want to use this one here or this one here. I can click on that and I can use this instead. Now I'm going to go ahead and move this out of the way and delete my previous text. And so I can replace it with this one, and then I can double click and I can change it. So I can type in New York with this, right? And of course, you can go ahead and you can change the color of this as well by put it in whatever you want. Let's say I wanted to put it in white, I can do that or whatever as well. You do it. And so you want to ensure that you would highlight the text in case sometimes you click on the text and it doesn't highlight. You click on the text color, and of course, you want to change it and you will see that it changed. And that's it, guys.